I know, K-Dot.
Watch your mouth, Shannon.
The hell, 1 minute. I thought I just heard Jason's voice too. That's why I looked out the window. It sounded just like him. What the fuck? He's hiding under the couch? Yeah, sure. He's in the walls. I have no idea. This is some weird shit. No, Roses, that's not how it works. Even if you go involuntary, you still have to um, go by the doctor's and psychologist's decision. But I'm hearing him everywhere in this house, and it's driving me goddamn nuts. You're not gonna allow it? I'm not doing anything but doing what I need to do. So, go project somewhere else, weirdo.